Hello everyone, how are you? Mr. Santos here. Today we're going to work on our third keychain model. Many people ask me for this lesson, so today my goal is to teach you new tools in Onshape while creating something practical. A keychain that you can actually take home. Let's get started. Open Onshape, log in with your username and password, and click Create Document. Let's name this project Keychain, Heart Model, and click Create. As you know, every new document starts with 3 planes. You can rotate the view by right-clicking and dragging. You can zoom in and out at any time. You can also hold Ctrl and right-click to move the view to a more comfortable position. For now, let's work with only one plane. Move your mouse to the left side and hide the front plane and the right plane. Right-click on the remaining plane and select View Normal to. Now we're ready to start. The first thing we need to decide is the size of our keychain. This is very important so we don't make it too large, which would increase printing time and material cost. Remember, we are designing a keychain, not a toy or a large object. Click the Sketch button and select the plane. Let's name this sketch Dimensions because it will define the area we'll work in. Now select the Line tool and activate the Construction option. Construction lines are only guides. They will not appear in the final print. Next, select Center Point Rectangle and keep Construction active. Click at the center and create a square that is 3 inches by 3 inches. This will be the working area for our heart design. Confirm the sketch and zoom in. Now let's start designing the heart. Click Sketch again and select the plane. Select the Line tool with Construction active. Click at the center and draw a vertical construction line from top to bottom. This line will help us keep the heart symmetrical. Press ESC to stop drawing. Now we'll learn a new tool, 3-point arc. Click the 3-point arc tool. Click on the construction line, move your mouse, and shape the curve for one side of the heart. Take your time. This part may take a few tries, and that's okay. Once you're happy with one side, we don't need to draw the other side manually. Instead, click the mirror tool. Select the center construction line as the mirror line. Then select the curve you just created. Onshape will automatically mirror it to the other side. This is a very powerful tool and saves a lot of time. Remember, I'm not giving you the only solution. You can design the heart in your own style. I'm just giving you the foundation so you can create your own designs. Now, let's turn our sketch into a 3D object. Click Extrude and set the depth to 0.25 inches. Confirm. Great! Now we have our heart. Right-click and select View Normal. 2 again. Next, we'll create the hole for the keyring. Click Sketch, select the face and choose Center Point Circle. Click where you want the hole to be. Use the Dimension tool and set the diameter to 0.25 inches. If you think that's too small or too large, you can adjust it, for example, 0.3 inches. Now click Extrude, but this time select Remove Material. Confirm and the hole is created. Now let's add text. Click Sketch, select the face and choose the Text tool. Click where you want the text and type something like, "I love you." You can resize the text using the Dimension tool. You can also move it up, down, left, or right until it looks just right. You can add more text if you want. Just repeat the same process. Once your text is ready, click Extrude. Set the depth to 0.2 inches. You can choose whether you want the text raised or engraved. If you want it engraved, simply double-click the extrusion and select Remove Material. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this project and learned some new tools today. We worked hard, and the result is something you can be proud of. See you soon. God bless you.